There's a reason why your brakes feel spongy in the spring. I'll tell you why next. Hi, I'm Paul with Classic Tube and your Classic Tube Tech Tip. Today we're going to talk about brake fluid and why your brakes are spongy in the spring. Brake fluid is hydroscopic, which means it absorbs water. 2% water absorption over a 12-month period. So bleeding your brakes is the one safety thing you want to do before you go out and take that first cruise of the spring. But what a great opportunity for you to inspect your brake lines. Inspecting the tubing for rust, corrosion is critical to the brake system performing properly. So when in doubt, Classic Tube provides pre-bent tubing as a replacement for any year, make, and model. If it's time for a replacement, call Classic Tube. One of our sales techs will be happy to help you. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for additional helpful videos.